Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will visualize the lines that have been imported in the previous exercise. So for that, we will open our Sahara project, and once here, let's select this layer, for example, layer number 9, and open in the map settings. In the case that you haven't them open, you have to click here on configuration. Here we will go to lines. You can see that in the tree structure that we have in this menu, one of the options is maps, and here select this checkbox to have the lines plotted, to have them shown. um, and now we will right click here and select variables. You can also do it by clicking in this icon here. You will select the variables that you want to plot, and here we have two different variables loaded because they have been imported previously, faults and border. We will select in this case fault but also border, so we will have both of them plotted. And now you can see that we have for this layer the borders that define the limits of this layer, and also the fault that goes through here. um, Then we can modify the formats. If we go to, for example, let's go to borders here. We will have now that this tree structure is going to have branch associated to the lines menu. Here we go to borders. Let's select another color. Let's plot this in blue, for example, and let's use dash here. And now let's keep it solid for borders, and let's increase the thickness. Now this is more clear. And for faults, let's use brown, for example. And now we will use dash here and the thickness into as well. So now we have our lines with a better format than before. We can individually hide or show the different kind of lines, and because these lines are associated to layers, if we select any other layer, we will see that the lines are going to change to show the correct border of each different layer, and also the position of the fault in this particular layer. As you can see here, the fault is moving, and here, for example, is going in the layer number 6, is going through the trajectory of the well D105, and in this other one is on the other side of this block for the a bit deeper in the layer 7. And with this, we have everything configured. You can remember that you can create new variables for lines that you may want to import as well. You can also import the water oil contact or the gas oil contact, as well as lines, and show them with different colors as well. So that will be everything for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.